3 million years ago, adaptation to our environment meant breaking stones together to make primitive tools for hunting and gathering. Today, adaptation can mean releasing silver dust particles into the stratosphere to solve a self-mediated problem that has been happening for generations: global warming. The reason the Earth can hold such a viable ecosystem is because naturally occurring gases in our atmosphere hold the heat energy from the sun. As these gases are trapping heat from the sun, ice fields in the poles are reflecting sunlight, which in turn prevents heat from staying in our atmosphere and cools our planet. The balance between reflecting and insulating the sun's energy is how our planet keeps its stable climate. In the last century, greenhouse gases in our atmosphere have grown exponentially. As more gas is trapped within our atmosphere, more energy is held and global temperatures rise, which starts an increase of melting in the poles, decreases the reflection of sunlight, and heats our planet. As a result, our ecosystem will adapt to the changing climate. Water levels will rise from melting ice fields, and weather patterns will change. For as much as science has proven that global warming is real and is happening now, humans have failed to make any large-scale changes to their lives. Instead, greenhouse gases are being released in larger quantities than ever before. People are driving less efficient cars, over-consuming limited resources, and creating waste, driving up greenhouse gas emissions. The political divide around climate change has started a fissure of social and moral practices, by which two strains have formed: advocacy for change, which is mainly pointing fingers at the opposition, which consists mainly of financially interested individuals. These political trends have become partisan bandwagons for liberals and conservatives to blindly follow, and alarmism is used to scare the public into belief or denial. In short, global warming has become just another existential risk, like that of mutually assured destruction during the Cold War. And out of all this fear and denial, how has it helped? What progress has been made, and why should we care? Predictions say that even if we stop all the world's greenhouse gas production instantly, the oceans will still rise above most coastal cities. Food will be scarce, species will die, and most importantly, we will never enjoy the same standard of living as we have today. So why? Why should we care? If we all can't even agree on how to slow global warming, then why are we expected to change when change is said to be so insignificant? I say, don't worry. As long as we know how global warming is changing our planet, we will adapt, and instead of forcing small impact solutions on each other out of fear and guilt, I believe that we should take a step back and realize that our planet is only changing and not ending. All this fear and turmoil is only based on prediction and has not solved anything. Although serious changes will take place, there is no need for fear-based politics or irrational anxiety. Our Earth is only changing, and in time, we will too.